In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform into a ClickFunnels page if you want to collect responses, leads, or feedback directly on your ClickFunnels page. Adding a Typeform is a simple and effective way to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to place your Typeform embed code into your page so it displays properly for visitors. The process is quick, but there are a few small details that help everything go smoothly. First, go to your Typeform account and open the form you want to add to your page. From there, navigate to the Share tab. This is where Typeform provides different options for sending or displaying your form. Look for the embed code option and copy the full code provided. Make sure you copy the entire embed snippet, since leaving out part of it can prevent the form from loading correctly on your page. Once you've copied the embed code, switch over to ClickFunnels and open the page where you want the form to appear. You'll need to access that page inside the page editor, since this is where you can add and arrange elements visually. Take a moment to decide exactly where on the page the form should go. It usually works best in a section where there's enough space for the form to display clearly without feeling cramped. Next, add a new custom JS/HTML element to the section of the page where you want the Typeform to appear. This element is important because it allows you to paste custom embed code directly into the page. After placing the element, open its editor so you can enter the code. Now paste your Typeform embed code into the element editor. Be careful not to accidentally change any part of the code while pasting it in. Even a small edit, such as removing a bracket or a quote mark, can stop the embed from working properly. Once the code is in place, click Save to apply your changes. After saving, it's a good idea to preview the page and confirm that the Typeform displays correctly. Check that it loads fully, fits well within the page layout, and is easy to use on both desktop and mobile views if your editor allows you to review responsiveness. If something doesn't appear right, the first thing to check is whether the full embed code was copied and pasted correctly. That's it. Once saved, your Typeform should now be embedded directly inside your ClickFunnels page, giving your visitors a seamless way to